When scanning documents, you may encounter different types of materials, such as regular paper, receipts, or ID cards. Due to varying sizes or a large number of pages, it may not be possible to scan everything into a single PDF. In these cases, you can use the continuous scan function. On the home screen, press Send. Select the destination in the address book. Press Quick Setup. Press Continuous Scan. Press On. Place the document in the feeder or on the platen glass. Press Start to begin scanning. After completion, place the next document in the feeder or on the platen glass. Then press Scan Next Originals to continue scanning. Finally, press Finish Scan to complete the process.